All right, let's go review. All right, so these two that are coming in from the pool into the actual filter, you guys can see. All right, if you guys own an above pool like I do, this is a must. Now this is to hold down the holes that stick out for the to take intake water, and if you guys can see, it has adhesive tape on the back. So right now, currently, this is what I have. This is gonna go right over it, so it could help the whole system out. You don't have to worry about it. Now this hose right here gives a lot of stress to this thing here, and I want an extra support so it could lift up straight up instead of sagging. All right, so we're gonna set this up right now and see how easy it is. Right now I don't have no water, so it's easy for me to make the changes. I'm still filling it up, as you can see. So before I get there, all right, so testing it out, it's gonna go like this. All right, give it support. So let's go ahead and take the adhesive off, and it comes off easily. It's a gel tape. All right, so lift it. Oops, try not to stick it like I do. Lift it up a little bit, stick it back. That's pretty much it. And when you put in your hose, it's gonna go through there like that. All right, there you go. Two coming in from the water, taking out. It's holding it up. It's helping you support. You guys can see that. So if you guys have something that's similar to I do, you don't want it to sag, this is a perfect way to actually take the water out. It's going to pump actually better than before. So hope you guys enjoy the video.